Hello everyone, this is Latika Shri. Welcome to Juris Sister Channel, a platform to learn law. In today's lecture, we are gonna discuss on important legal maxims in criminal law that every law student and legal practitioners must know by heart in the real world practice of law. Before moving on to legal maxims, let us see the meaning of legal maxims. What are legal maxims, guys? Maxims are an established principle or proposition of law which is universally admitted as being just and constant with reasons. They are part of the general customs or common law of the land. The significance of legal maxims are it is somewhat like axioms or geometry. So, they are very important tools in the interpretations, understanding, and applications of law. Hence, it's very important by every law student to know the maxims. Let's get started. I have a legal maxim in Dubio Pro Reo. Please repeat after me while watching video. In Dubio Pro Reo, which means in doubt for the accused. Whenever in doubt, the interpretation should be in favor of the accused. The accused may not be convicted when there is a doubt about his or her guilt. It is a right to presumption of innocence. The accused shall be presumed innocent until the contrary is proved beyond reasonable doubt. So, in dubio pro reo. And my second legal maxim I have for you guys is Nullum Crimen Sine Lege, Nulla Poena Sine Lege, which means there is no crime without a law. There is no penalty without a law. This maxim means that a person cannot be punished for any act that is prohibited by law before a person can be punished for an act. There first must be a law that defines and punishes as a crime. This principle of legality is also laid down in Universal Declaration of Human Rights under Article 11 Clause 2, which goes on, no one shall be held guilty of any penal offence on account of any act or omission which did not constitute a penal offence under national or international law at the time when it was committed. So, nullum crimen sine lege, nulla poena sine lege. I have a very simple legal maxim for you guys. You will love it. Dura Lex Sed Lex. That sounds good? Yeah. What is the meaning? Which is, the law is hard, but it is the law. This means, even if it is harder, you must obey the law. So, Dura Lex Sed Lex. And the next legal maxim which I have for you guys is very important and familiar in usage, which is Actus non facit Reum Nisi mensit rea, which means the act does not make a man guilty unless his mind were so. The act does not make the doer of it guilty unless the mind is also guilty, that is, unless his intention is also criminal. So there are two elements, intent and act, which constitutes a crime. For an act to be criminal, it must be committed with a guilty mind. So the legal maxim goes on, actus non facit reum, nisi mensit rea. And we are in the end of the session. And the last legal maxim that I have for you is non bis in idem, which means not twice in the same. That is, no one can be twice punished for one and the same offense. No one can be twice vexed for one and in the same case. Non bis in idem. So these are the 5 legal maxims about criminal law which you can use in the real legal world. I hope you all understood the legal maxims and their meanings. Keep practicing, you will get it there. Till then, I'll see you in the next session. Stay connected with us. Please do support us by subscribing and sharing our channel with your family and friends.